Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review for this wig that I have here, which I'm absolutely feeling. I love this wig. When I first saw it online, I wasn't too sure about it, but yeah, once I took it off the package, I already knew. This wig is by the Janet Collection, a Brazilian scent. That whole line, 100% human hair premium blend. And the name of this wig is called Jojo, and this is what she looks like. So yeah, Jojo did come in like that kind of tighter curl, as you can see. Oh, can y'all see? Yeah, right there. So y'all can see like right here, it comes with like a tighter kind of curl. I did go and kind of comb it out just a little bit because I didn't want that tight curl like that, but then again, like I thought it was nice, so I didn't do too much you know, finger combing. So yeah, so I absolutely love this wig. So I got this wig online for about $27. I do have her in the color number 1. I'm absolutely loving this bang that's on Jojo. Like a lot of times when I get wigs, like the bang is either way too thin or is way too thick, and like this is just perfect. Like it's just doing everything that it needs to do, like just everything. So yeah, this wig is about 16 inches. It stops like right here. Density on this wig, I want to say this is like a medium density. It's like just enough here. To me, this would be like an everyday kind of wig. You know how some wigs is like too full and then you can't like really wear it every day because it's just too much, but this is perfect. It has the perfect density. As far as the part, it starts right here and then it ends right there. So as you can see, you definitely get a good amount of parting space. I didn't have to go in to pluck it at all. To me, it looks pretty good. I did just add a little bit of powder and that was it, but I'm not getting any shedding yet from this wig. So that is a good thing. Like I cut the lace and you know, I kind of finger combed it a little bit and I'm not getting any shed. And as far as tangling, I'm not getting any of that either. Like my hands went right through. This hair feels so good. Like it's so soft. I can definitely see a unit like this like lasting you forever because it's about 16 inches. It's not too long. It's not too full. I did have to go and take my flat iron to make it lay flat a little bit because when I first got it, it was like a little like, yeah, it was like a little bumpy at the top. So I did go and you know, use some heat to make it lay down flat. Lace is very soft, which I can definitely appreciate. A lot of times when you get the soft lace, the only thing that I don't like about it is that like you get the line of demarcation, which this wig doesn't have, which I was like so happy about. But yeah, I love the soft lace because you can just like move it and shift it and take it off your head without like, you know, thinking that you're about to pull all your edges off. I'm going to go back and get this in some more colors. It come in like the black purple, the OET 1B burgundy 99J, which is a really pretty color. Red. Hold on, I think I got a wig that color like right here. This wig is like the OT 99J burgundy. So I can definitely see this wig in this color. Like this would be so pretty. So flame is probably like a really bright red, which I'll probably stay away from. But yeah, they have a lot of cute colors. And this wig was under $30. I think it was like $27.99 or something like that. But you know, with these wig sites, you buy and sometime it go up, sometime it go down. As far as the cap size on this wig, I would say this is definitely like a large, like an extra large. My head is definitely on the larger side and I have plenty of room, and I even feel like if your head is a little bit bigger than mine, then you might still have room too. I would be worried for people that have like smaller heads. This might be a little bit big for you. It does have two combs in the front, the one comb in the back, and an adjustable strap. So if your head is on the smaller side, you probably definitely, if your head is on the smaller side, you probably definitely want to take advantage of, you know, the adjustable straps. I think I pretty much cover everything. If I forgot anything, ask me down below, or definitely check out the description box for the link to this wig. And if I forgot anything, I'll add it down there.